Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back and bring you guys this new video. I will be showing you this quick and easy DIY you can do for under $10. Yes, this is so inexpensive, so affordable, and so easy to do. So starting out, you see me here grab this green foam I got from the dollar store. This wooden platform I got from Hobby Lobby. It brought 2 in a pack and it was only about $2 and some change. And I grabbed my hot glue gun and I glue this down to each other, grabbing the green foam and putting more hot glue on that. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine is not completely centered, but that's okay. It really does not matter at all. I give that a few minutes to dry and then we're ready to start. So here you guys will see me showing you the spray paint that I used to spray paint this hula hoop that I also got from the dollar store. I removed the sticker that was on it and I popped it open after it was completely dry after spray painting, and you guys see me insert it here to the sides of this green platform or foam, I should say. I'm just doing the measurements here so that I can hot glue it in, and so this will help me have a sturdier hold on the hula hoop, and so it doesn't come off so easily or it doesn't break off during transportation or while it's being used as the decoration. So this piece here is the end of the hula hoop. One end I needed help because it was impossible for me to do this with 2 hands, so I needed a third hand, and I'm gonna hot glue one side while the other person helps me hold the other side. Once I insert that side, then I can do the other side, as you guys can see here. And you just apply the hot glue to the tip and give it a few minutes for it to dry, and then there it is. You guys are ready to start doing the rest of this process, and it is very, very easy. So I got these rose petals, or roses I should say, from the dollar store also. They come about 6 or 8 in a bunch for only $1, which is amazing. I took them off the stems, as you guys can see here, and I poked the hole inside the foam with the flower petal, and then I put the hot glue into this hole that it created. You guys can see here in slower motion. I just put it in, and then I put the hot glue and insert the flower there, hold it down in place for a few seconds so it can stay and it doesn't pop back up. And I just repeat this whole process during the entire time that I'm putting or applying the flowers on this green foam. Very easy to do. It does not take much time or effort, and you guys will see the finished result in just a few minutes. So in this clip, you guys will see me grabbing the green leaves. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm saying this incorrect. Maybe I'm not. That come on the actual flower stem also, and I'm just taking the green leaves, doing the same exact thing as the rose petals, punching the hole in, taking it out, putting the hot glue in, and then putting it back in so it stays in place. I did this to hide the few places that the green foam was showing, so I did that to make it less noticeable, and I went all around the green foam, putting the rose petals and then applying the green leaves if necessary to cover up any spots that were showing. And please also do not mind the mess I have in the background. I know I wanted to get started on this project as soon as possible, so I didn't put anything away, but it still came out beautiful. So just keep watching and wait for the end result. Okay, so here you guys are seeing the final result of the flowers. How cute is this? This was so beautiful. I loved it. I wanted to take it home with me after, but it was for my mom's 53rd birthday, so I did not. I left it at her home. She was in love with it also. In this new clip, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tied the balloons to this hula hoop. I just blew up two small 12-inch balloons to each other, and then I tied it around the hula hoop, as you guys can see here. Very easy to do. It is not hard at all. You just take the two balloons, tie them together, and then tie them around the hula hoop, just as you guys can see here. I did it on opposite sides, so I did it on the top and then I did it on the opposite side at the bottom, and you guys will see that in just a few seconds. I did not finish the entire hula hoop on camera. There was one thing that I needed to add had, and I did it the next day at the actual birthday party. Very easy to do. I will leave the link in the description box down below if you guys are interested in the happy birthday sign that I purchased. It was in the color rose gold. It was so beautiful. I will leave that in the description box down below so that if you guys are interested, you can get it also. And here you have it, guys. This is the final result, and you guys can see it on the actual center table that was used at the birthday party. It was absolutely beautiful. Everyone loved it, and I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and stay tuned for my next video, which is also a DIY that I also made as part of decorations for the birthday party. Bye, guys.